Watch this video and learn how to draw a spring flower. Later in the show, join Bunny and Artie for a dance break. And watch to the end for Artie's potty break. Ooh! Are you ready? It's time for Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hi, Artie!
Oh, hello, little artist.
Hello, Artie. You know how it's nearly spring?
Yes?
Well, why don't we draw a spring flower?
Oh, Artie would love that. Can we please?
Yes, of course.
Okay, yay!
Welcome, little artists, to Artie's show!
It's so great to see you today.
It's wonderful.
Do you have your markers, Artie?
Yeah, I've got my markers.
And your paper?
Yeah, got my paper.
Well, should we begin?
Yeah, let's begin.
Let's start by drawing a medium-sized circle right in the middle of the page. This is going to be the left eye of our flower.
Flowers don't have eyes.
Well, I know flowers don't have eyes, Artie. We're being creative. This is art. We can do anything we want. That's a very neat little circle there, Artie. Good job. Now let's draw a smaller circle inside and shade it in black. After we finish this drawing, Artie, let's go into the backyard and we can look at the flowers.
Oh, yes, please.
It's a nice sunny day.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. It'll be fun.
Artie's excited.
Let's draw the right eye. Another circle, but this time don't draw the whole circle. Make it look like the right eye is sort of slightly behind the left one. And then again, draw the circle inside and shade it in black. Great work, Artie. If Artie's drawing a little too quick, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's give our flower's eyes some eyelashes. Just lots of little straight lines radiating out from the left and the right eye. That's it, Artie. Now she looks pretty.
Artie, Bunny's here!
Hi, Bunny.
Oh, your art makes my whiskers wiggle with joy!
Huh.
Hop to it.
Okay.
Let's give our flower a big smiling mouth. Draw a curved line at the top, a bigger curved line underneath. And then I had an idea, Artie. Let's give our flower some teeth, just like Bunny Fluffington's teeth. 2 big teeth at the front. That's it. Now let's shade in the areas outside of the teeth completely black. That way it'll look like the inside of our flower's mouth. I hope our flower brushes her teeth regularly. She needs to look after those.
Yeah. Oh.
You're being really patient, Artie. I'm impressed. You have to really concentrate so that you don't go outside the lines when shading in a big area like this.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's give our flower a face. We're going to draw a large circle all around the face, but do it in sections. It's easier that way.
Artie is so talented, isn't he, Mikey?
He really is.
It's much easier drawing the circle in sections, isn't it, Artie?
Yeah.
You can really take your time and make sure it's a really good, perfect shaped circle.
Oh, could we,
What is it, Artie? What do you want?
could we have a dance break, please?
You want a dance break? Well, of course we can. Come on.
Yay!
Artie, go! Dancing is also good exercise.
Exquisite. Exquisite. 10.
That's great, that's great, that's great, that's great.
That looks like fun, Artie.
Yeah, that was really good fun.
Did you enjoy it?
Oh, Artie loves dance breaks.
Oh, good. Let's finish the drawing.
Yeah,
Come on.
okay.
Do you know what's missing from our flower? Petals. Draw a straight line up, a half circle at the top, then a straight line down. Now we have one petal. We're going to have to draw lots of these. Coming up, Artie goes for a potty break. Ooh! Okay, that's 2 petals so far. Here's number 3. This is going to take a lot of patience, Artie, because you have to go all the way around the circle, drawing lots and lots of petals. Oh, it's looking good. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you've drawn so far, Artie. Oh, there's going to be a lot.
Betty, can you tell what it is yet?
Not yet.
Well, it's going to be a flower, guys. Did you know, Artie, that the name for a group of petals, all the petals around a flower, is a corolla?
A Coca-Cola?
No, not a Coca-Cola. A corolla. See if you can say it.
Corolla.
That's it. Corolla.
Painty! Oh no! Painty!
Oh, Painty, you've made a mess again. Ugh, all that green paint. I'm going to have to clean that up now. I can't wait to see how you colour this one in, Artie. I'm sure it's going to be very, very colourful.
Oh, yes it is.
You know, Artie, this drawing of a flower really looks like Bunny Fluffington, if she was a flower.
No.
You don't think so? Okay, that's all the petals nearly finished. Now let's do a double outline. So draw another half curve at the end of every petal. That'll just give a bit more detail and it'll really help when we're colouring in later on.
Hi, Artie.
Hi, Bunny.
Can we eat carrots together later?
I love carrots. Yeah.
Me too.
I figured.
All right. Well, have a happy day.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy day.
I think I'm going to start saying have a hoppy day to people. It's really fun. But then I'm going to have to start hopping everywhere instead of walking, so that could be a bit awkward. I'm very impressed by how patient you're being, Artie. This one's taking a lot of work, but it looks like you're having fun.
Yeah, Artie's having so much fun. Thank you.
Well, you're welcome, of course. Just a few more petals to finish. My goodness, this drawing's taking a long time, Artie. We've been here, I don't know how long, 10 minutes now?
Oh, Artie think you need potty break.
You need a potty break?
Yeah, potty break.
Okay, go on then.
Okay, thank you. Oh, potty break. Okay, Artie went potty.
Well, I'm glad you feel better now. Okay, come on, let's finish the drawing. We're so close. Now we're going to draw a stem coming from the bottom of the flower. Let's add a nice leaf on the right side.
That looks lovely, Artie.
Great job, buddy.
Let's draw a leaf on the left side, Artie. Did you know that the reason flowers have leaves is that's how they make food? They catch the sunlight in their leaves and make food.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that.
I wish I could grow some leaves. Then I wouldn't need to cook you dinner every night. Finally, let's draw a little flower pot. 2 horizontal lines with half a circle on the right side and the left side. 2 curved lines coming down towards the bottom, one on the left, one on the right, and then a horizontal line right across the bottom.
That is so cute.
Let's draw another horizontal line just underneath, just to add a little bit of detail. Finally, let's draw some lines coming out from the petals towards the sunshine. Our flower is very happy that the sun is shining. Oh, it looks great, Artie.
I finished.
You did an awesome job.
Yeah.
Now what?
We could color it in.
I think we should.
Okay, let's do it.
Yay!
It's coloring time.
Artie's finished.
Wow, Artie, it came out so good.
Yeah, Artie is very arty.
Yes, you are.
Bye, Artie.
Hey, kids, have a great day.
See you next time. Carrot kisses and bunny wishes.
That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. Have an arty day. Bye. Bye for now.